Keeping track of the review process is essential to ensure your conference stays on schedule. With PeerSubmit, you can easily monitor review progress and track the status of all submissions in real time. First, the program chair logs into PeerSubmit using the email address and password associated with their account. If the program chair is logging in for the first time, they can simply click on Forgot Password and set a new password using their registered email address. Once the login process is completed, the program chair will be asked to select the organization for which they have been granted access. After selecting the organization, the program chair will be redirected to the dashboard, where they can access and manage the conferences assigned to them. From here, they select the conference they are associated with. In this section, they will see the list of all submitted papers or abstracts. Here, they can easily see the list of all submissions categorized by their current status: pending submissions, reviewed submissions, waiting for revision, selected submissions, and rejected submissions. Each submission will display key information. This allows the program chair to monitor all incoming submissions for the conference. That's how you can monitor review progress in PeerSubmit. With clear visibility into submission statuses and reviewer activity, you can ensure timely reviews, identify pending or delayed submissions, and keep your conference on track.